Hi, I'm Anne, and I'm the resident of Water Bay.
My name is Angela, and I'm a resident of Archipelago.
Hi, I'm Adeline Ang, and I've been living at Scala for the past 2.5 years.
My name is Key, and I'm a resident of Desire.
HiLife phone app is beneficial to me in a way that as a resident, I can do the booking of the facilities even 24/7. Even during the weekends when the management agent is not working, I still can actually look at the availability of the facilities.
In the old days, doing the paperwork is very troublesome. You have to email the developer to ask them whether your application has been submitted successfully, yeah. So with the app, all this has been minor solved, and it just simplified everything for me.
What attracted me to the apps is one-stop solution, and also notification that I can receive on what's happening on the condo.
There's a directory for the services like salons and restaurants that are around the neighborhood. So tenants who just move in, they can actually use the app to take a look at what's around them.
There's many other apps. The feature inside is like you can see the restaurant where it's nearby, and there's some even shops recommendation.
有一次我的 aircon 坏，我就从里面可以找得到有谁可以帮我做 servicing. And after that, I realized that they give us a very special rate for the residents, which I find very good.
Hi, I'm Maimuna. I'm the EE at the Scala.
Hi, my name is Sandra, and I'm from Rodo Group of Companies, and we are proud to be using HiLife as our facility booking web portal via mobile app.
My name is Chloe. I'm a condo officer here in Water Bay.
My name is May. I'm RO here.
The benefits of using HiLife is that this app allows us to look at facility bookings done by our residents and homeowners or tenants. And it facilitates the MA's job and duties pretty well in the management office.
I think this app adds a value of my daily operations and sense of booking for a facility, and to avoid human error for duplications.
对我们有帮助，是因为屋主不需要排队， then 他们就 online book 了之后就直接下来。
I do think that the HiLife app adds to the daily operation. Reason is because we can see which is the peak period for example, tennis court bookings, which is a peak period for barbecue, and we have all that in the database. And we are able to better plan estate facilities, maintenance work to be carried out off-peak season.
The benefit from the app is there is when resident call for the term contractor, I have to do research, then I have to contact the particular contractor. But with these HiLife apps, that I can ask the resident to browse through the HiLife app.
HiLife 的工作人员都会帮我们，就是有没有什么东西要询问的时候，他们都会尽力的帮我们。
What makes HiLife stand out from its competitors would be the team and the level of support that you have given to our group. Yeah, and the level of motivation, the level of commitment, that and support that your team has rendered to our organization would definitely make HiLife stand out in the face of the competition.
觉得 HiLife 好用吗？
我觉得 HiLife 真的是最好的选择，
为什么？
因为它省时间
啊，
应用方便，然后
屋主
又觉得很好，
很好，
然后服务的人员也是好。
I realized that a lot of condos at the moment they do not have these applications, and I find it very useful personally. I will share this information to them and hope that they can share and feedback to the management.
There's some friend and at other condo out there, I really start to share with them. This is how convenient about HiLife.